everybody, welcome back to Blue Whale. I have some exciting news for you. I know it's been a while. It's been like 2 months since we posted anything, but we have some exciting progress to share with you. Zach and I finished the house here in the Midwest. We sold it last week. We closed tomorrow. And this has kind of been our project for the last 2, maybe 3 years, maybe longer, maybe a little longer. But we've done everything from the inside out. I want to show you some of the projects we've been working on. First, I want to start on the outside. I'm going to share with you some photos of what it looked like before, and then I'll walk you through the after. Okay guys, so this is our 1930s bungalow. Zach bought this house when he was 27. I won't tell you how long we've had it because I'll give away his age, but so all the stone is original. Zach built the forms for this concrete step. We had concrete come in and it was poured. It was square, we made it round to match the door. The door's not perfect, but we sanded it, we refinished it with new stain. All new windows. We painted the trim. The trim was all white and we wanted a little bit different look, so we painted it a dark kind of bronze color. We had tuck pointing done on all the stone. Like I said, brand new windows, casement windows. We had the chimney redone, new roof, new gutters, new lighting on the porch. Turned out pretty nice. Let me take you inside now. So this is the front living room. We painted all the walls the same color throughout the house. Pretty much white. Sorry for the traffic. And then all of this trim was stained. We sanded it, we primed it, and then we painted it kind of an off gray color. The stone is original. We had our TV here. We installed those speakers. We redid the tile here. This was like a red mosaic tile originally. New lighting. And then this archway was original. We matched it here for the kitchen. That was just like a 30-inch opening. We widened it so that it was open to the kitchen. But new lighting in the dining room, new paint. And then these are the original hardwood floors. We refinished them ourselves. Here is the kitchen. This got a total overhaul. We demoed the several layers of flooring. You'll see photos of that later. New cabinets, new appliances, new tile. This is 8 by 16 porcelain tile. New hood. And of course, my favorite sink ever with a washboard, faucet, new light. That light wasn't there, new cabinets. And then originally, if I can stand back enough, the entry to the kitchen was right here. We moved it so we could have lots more counter space. So we moved the entry, or the opening here, which created a cute little breakfast nook that we sat at a lot. And then I'll just close this door, but then we conditioned this space. Originally, so this is the garage on this side and this is the house. Originally, this was just open. The garage and the main house were separate. And someone had built a small little screened-in porch that extended out that way, and we demoed it and created this. This was concrete floor in here, so we added the tile to match the kitchen. You can see the glass that we added. Of course, we wanted a full light glass door. It's a small house, so you had to make it look bigger. It's a window into one of the bedrooms. This we really used, which is our basement. Zach and I rebuilt these stairs 2 years ago. It's the worst project. Thank God for Zach. And then down here we had just racks and racks and racks of storage. We just had this all repainted. We had the ceiling repainted, all the rafters. So it looks and feels brand new down here. Absolutely amazing. These steps were so steep and the treads were only like 8 inches. So needless to say, it was easy to fall and hurt yourself. So through the living space, back here in the hallway is 1 bedroom to the left and 1 bedroom to the right. The front bedroom was our master bedroom. We redid the floors in here, new windows, new lighting. This was just a simple, I think 30-inch opening with a door for a closet. But there was a lot more space in this closet, so we repurposed these original doors and did custom storage throughout the whole thing. White melamine shelves on these adjustable TV brackets. I loved it. Loved my closet. You can see all the interior doors. We did frosted glass. We love glass. This hallway, we did gallery lighting through here. We had all of our favorite pieces of art. I'll come back to the bathroom, but this is our daughter's room. We redid the floors in here. This whole wall was a closet that was over that window. We demoed it and we built these little Jack and Jill closets. And then we punched a hole through here to the bathroom. And the bathroom, love the bathroom. Very mid-century. Zach did this design himself. This was before we met. This wasn't a Zach and Katie project yet, but he built these custom cabinets. They're walnut. And then he poured and laid this concrete top We have the basin bowls above, and then the vanity mirrors. There are medicine cabinets behind. And then vanity, which is my favorite. Gotta have good lighting. And then he did this custom ceiling. I don't know if you can't even really get the effect unless you're in here. But this is floating, drywall above, and then he did LED uplighting. So it looks like the ceiling's glowing. It's not showing up super well on camera. And then our shower, which we love so, so much. Zach laid all this tile himself. The flooring's heated, radiant heat throughout. So super cozy in the morning on your toes. So that's the house, you guys. It's starting to get dark. I know I wanted to show you guys the back. I just want to show you guys one more thing. We're leaving this table here, but I just want to show you guys a quick view. So here's the front yard and the side yard. This was the fence here. Zach fenced in 1 acre of the property. He built the fence himself. This was the dog area, and then beyond the fence on the other side over there was where we had goats. Well, I hope you guys like seeing this. I love sharing it with you guys. Now you can kind of get the effect of the breezeway here. Thank you guys so much for hanging in there. I know it's been a while. A ton of you have reached out and asked what's going on, what we've been up to. We've just been busy with a ton of stuff, work projects, moving to the West Coast. This was a big one. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned because we are gonna have another video here shortly. Thanks, guys.